I'm Merideth with ExtremeTerrain, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 17 by 9 inch wheels and 35 inch tires on a 2 to 3.5 inch lifted 2 and 4 door Sport Sahara and Rubicon JL. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 35 inch tires with 17 by 9 inch wheels are a popular setup with owners that have lifted JLs, as you can see from the pictures provided by JL owners. This setup will give you an aggressive look with a taller and wider tire in the fender well and will provide more capability if you want to go off-road. Customers running this setup are a mix of those who are driving on the road and those who also take their Jeep off-roading. Running 35s on a 2 to 3.5 inch lifted JL is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and moderate off-roading. This setup is free from any rubbing on any suspension components and the front bumper. Stock Rubicons have a slightly higher suspension with taller fenders, so you can expect a bit more clearance. Only those Sport and Sport S JLs will require the removal of the front splash guard in order to run this setup. In off-road situations, you can expect to be free from any rubbing while driving on the trails and also during moderate rock crawling. There are a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 35. When driving on-road, the ride will feel a little more sluggish with the 35s compared to stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 5 to 7 miles per hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to the bigger tires. Not a big deal, and most Jeep owners just keep that in mind while driving. This can be easily corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune for your Jeep, which you can also find right here on the site. We also recommend an alignment after you've installed your new wheels and tires. Again, this setup of 35 inch tires with 17 by 9 inch wheels on a 2 to 3.5 inch lifted JL is very popular with our customers and will give your Jeep a much more aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your JL. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped out to you, and then just have a jack and a lug wrench for install, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about this setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like this and tons of other product and review install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.